Hey y'all, I'm Chris, and this is It Worth It, y'all? And today we are going to go through what you can do with a rotisserie chicken. As you can see, Greg and I have already devoured a rotisserie chicken, and we thought, because we had two of them, we're like, you know what, let's go through and show everybody what you can make out of a full rotisserie chicken. So what we decided to do was take this chicken and piece it out and use it for canned meat and stock. And so you'll see that this this chicken is amazing, and I will tell you that the broth and the meat that we got out of this were phenomenal. I mean, I think it's just different because I'm used to canning ugly chicken with raw meat, and so it was a little different, but this meat was fantastic. The broth was fantastic, and you'll see here in a bit actually how much we get out of this thing. So Greg is pulling off the rest of this breast meat. So this is one rotisserie chicken. I want to say it's probably maybe 4 pounds of meat, because usually a jar holds about a pound, and we end up getting 4 jars of product out of this. And it's not difficult. We purchased the ones that are like day old that they put in the refrigerator section of the deli, and we use those because I think they mark them down. I mean, we're talking like our local store. We're not talking it at Sam's Club or anything. So, but we go ahead and we can 4 of these jars of meat. We did a little bit more than an inch of headspace, and then I came in with some extra liquid, because if we're doing this from raw, this actually the jars actually produce their own liquid, so we don't need to add liquid. But since this was from cooked, I went ahead and added some water. Now, I will say I probably need to add more water next time. So we are going to use our electric pressure canner. We only have 4. So this is just easier because we only have 4 jars, and there's no sense in dragging out all that equipment for 4 jars. So we're just going to use the electric pressure canner, knock this out real quick, and then we're going to move on to the broth. Now we let this broth simmer probably 24 hours. I think we went ahead and let it go overnight, and it was fantastic. I went ahead and put it in the refrigerator, let everything cool. We did not save any meat off of the carcass. We just processed the broth. And if you look at it, it is so, so beautiful. I didn't add anything. I just did the chicken. Usually we do onions and celery and carrots and stuff like this, but this was just the rotisserie chicken, and look how pretty it is. All right, and that's it, y'all. We ended up with 4 pints of chicken, and we ended up with 4 pints of stock. I would consider that a huge success for a $5 rotisserie chicken. So I was quite pleased with how everything turned out. The flavor was excellent, and the amount of product that we got out of literally just one rotisserie chicken that we had that was going to go bad, and we fixed it. And so now it's on the shelf. So check out some of our other canning videos. We have a ton of them. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until we see you on the next video, bye, y'all.